Hey guys, welcome back to the Discuss. So today we are going to talk about a great content writing platform called as Medium. So here are the basic domains of discussion, like what is actually Medium, complete Medium tour from the dashboard to everything. Then how can you earn money from Medium? In which countries does Medium pay the writers? My Medium story recommended on the first page of Google. So I'll share my personal experience with it and also the conclusion. So, what is actually Medium? So, basically, Medium is a platform where writers from all over the world come and write about whatever they want and also earn from their articles/slash stories. It is basically a blogging platform from which you can start your own content writing/slash blogging journey for free. Also, there are many active readers on Medium, and also the community support is just awesome. So, next, I'll give you the complete Medium too. So, let's just quickly hop into the website where I'll explain you everything. So as you can see, this is how the profile looks like. So yes, I'm Swam Bhatt, and the niche that I write, this content is music basically. So here you can see the last story I uploaded was on November 18, and I left writing on Medium because of some reasons that we'll discuss further in this video. So yes, here you can see. So I currently have about 272 followers on Medium. So yeah, so as you can see, from here you can navigate everything, the tools that Medium provide. So if you click on write a story, this is where you can write the stories really easy. Just give it a title and just you can upload any image from here on everything. Basically, it's really easy and efficient to use. The next thing is basically the story section where basically you have all the content of your stories, like what all stories that you have written, all the responses that if you have responded to any of the stories, then you can basically navigate through here. The next thing is basically the stats, and I guess the most important part where you see all the stats. And so if you can see, basically I got 198 views because this story of mine was recommended on the first page of Google, and we'll discuss about it further in this video. So yeah, you can see, and basically write about music, the musical composition, language of music, music theory, basically, mixing, mastering, and trap music, and everything like that, and a lot of stuff. Yeah, so this is really simple. This is the audience stats. Basically, you can see I got this is not updated. I have 272 followers like currently, so it's not updated yet. Yes, the next thing is basically this is all about for the stats part. The next thing is basically design your profile. You can design your profile, customize your profile from here. It's really easy in the color, the fonts, the header, blog role, everything, and you can see through it. This is how it looks in the tablet, and this is how it looks in the phone. So yeah, this is really pretty basic. Okay, so let's think for the next thing. Yeah, then here are here are the settings, basically profile settings, the designs, audience development, email settings, connections, accounts, memberships, intelligent token security, etc. And pretty basic to understand. The next thing is lists. Basically, if you are an active reader on Medium, then if you want to read about the if you know about the travel things, then you can create a list of travel and put your all stories there. Then if you want to learn about music, then you can create a list called music, and you can upload all the stories that you want to read there. So this is basically you can create a new list right from here. The next thing is basically publications. There are different publications, and if you are you're an active writer on Medium, then it's really it's really good if you are if your story is published by any of the publications, because it helps you get more views, and basically more exposure is provided by publications. So this is it for the publication. Then yeah, this is a pretty basic thing. Control your recommendations. You can easily control everything from here. The next thing is Medium Partner Program. Is basically the next section of video that we'll discuss, which is how to earn on Medium. So yeah, let's just quickly take a look at this. So yeah, the next section is basically how can you earn from Medium. So it is really simple, as you saw in the two section that there was a page called as Medium Partner Program through which you can earn. It is really simple, to read the stories of your favorite writer. You need to become a member of Medium, which is $5 for a month or $50 for a year. So after this, Medium keeps $1 to $2, and the remaining is paid to the writers whose story you read. So the earnings of the writers depends on member reading time. Now there is also another way of earning, that is by referring to another people, and if they become a member, you earn a small commission through the money that they pay. So as you can see, is write, connect, and earn. So two ways to earn: member reading time and referred memberships, which is basically the affiliate marketing type of thing. So apply once you have met the eligibility criteria. The criteria is really simple: publish a story, gain 100 plus followers, and stay active. It's simple. So yes, grow your audience and your engagement, but it's not easy as it looks like, because the reasons that I'll discuss in further in this video. The next thing is, in which countries does Medium pay their writers? Now, this is the most, this is a very major drawback of Medium, that it pays only writers from some specific countries, which are, as you can see, Australia. You can read the list also, and I'll try to apply in front of you guys for the proof. So, as you can see, this is I'll try to apply right now. So yeah, I'll just press start and everything. Continue. I have currently 272 followers, so I'll enter a number and I'll press OK. So have you published at least one? Yes, I've published about 13 stories in Medium. So yeah, so just go for the, just apply your profile settings right from here. I'll just do it quickly. I'll just copy this out, paste it here, just write my email, and like here, this is the thing, that which country do you live in. Now this is the countries in which Medium pay. So as you can see, there's I'm from India basically, so there's no option for India. So yeah, so basically if I select others which are not listed and submit it, then it applies that currently enrollment in the partner program is only available in following countries, which I showed you. So if your country is not included in the list, we are unfortunately unable to connect you to the partner program at the same. So yeah, basically it does not pay writers from all the countries over the world. So this is the thing that this was a point where I lost motivation to write. My personal experience, I was doing good, like writing stories, having a decent member reading time, and I currently have 272 followers, as you saw. But when I came to know that Medium does not pay in my country, I lost all my motivation. But nevertheless, is a plus point in Medium is that the SEO, or the search engine optimization of Medium, is simply great, and your stories can rank on the first page of Google, which happened with me. The next section is basically that, my personal experience. I'll just show you. A story of mine was recommended on the first page of Google, which is if I go to the story section. So this was the story, why cassettes and CDs were an hour better than streaming. Was recommended in the top page of my Google. Like if I search, wait out. Yeah, why cassettes are better than streaming. If I search on here, then here's the answer given by Quora. Yeah, if you can see, this is the second option is coming, and if you click on there, then yeah, you can see this is written by me. So a great advantage of Medium is that your stories can rank on the first page of Google. So yeah, that's a great part of it, about it. And I was recommended Medium by a friend of mine called Milan. So yeah, I'm thankful to him. The next thing is conclusion. It is simple. If you have a passion for writing, then I guess there is no better platform than Medium in terms of SEO, accessibility. Easy to use. The growth is amazing. The community is excellent. So yeah, if you have a passion for writing, then just go for Medium. But if your aim is to make money, then make sure you belong from a country where they pay. Otherwise, it's difficult for you to earn. You cannot earn. Is as simple as that. So yeah, that's it for today. And if I was able to provide you with some value, then please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any query, feel free to ask in the comment section. I would love to help you out. Yeah, thank you and cheers.